completed an assignment in Benchmark Universe. The first thing you want to do when a book opens is make sure that you are looking at a screen similar to the one I currently am showing you, where it has a blue and white gridded background. If it's not in the screen, you need to click on the hammer and paintbrush so that you can add your responses and save your work to be turned into the teacher. On the left and right sides of the book, there's an area with a blue box with blue lines in it for close reading notes, where you can take notes about what you read, mention key details, thoughts you had, questions you had, or answer a question that your teacher may have posted in that box. To put responses in the close reading box, you just have to click with your cursor and begin typing. To save those changes, which you should see save as needed, make sure you click the arrow in the cloud icon so that when you exit it, that'll still be there for your teacher to see. When annotating, make sure to use the tools under the wrench icon on the right side of the screen. You have a pen, a highlighter, and shapes to highlight and mark details in the text. So on this page, it says circle a word that has an AY sound similar to day. So I can either use the circle shape when I find my word that has a similar AY to day, like play. And that's now around it, and make sure I click the cloud with the up arrow to save it. Or if I find another word, or I can use my pen and circle a word that has AY. I'll circle play again. Or I could also choose to use the highlighter tool and highlight a word, the word play, so that my teacher knows I found an AY word like day. For where it says underline, I can use my pen or my highlighter to underline a verb. And it says it in the last line, underline a verb, but children had fun anyway. The verb or the action was fun. So I'd underline fun. Then it says put a happy face next to your favorite line. So using the pen tool, you could draw a happy face. Also under the wrench tools, you have an eraser. So if you decide you don't like your happy face, you can erase it. Or you underlined a wrong word. You also have a text box where you can put your answer in the writing area like you would your book at school for our first and kindergartners. Once you type in the text box, you want to make sure it's large enough font that you can read what you're typing. I like, make sure you spell it right, play. I now need to save those changes, or when I go back in it, my work will be lost. You can also add notes for your teacher, and they'll show up here so you can read them, or they'll show up as a little icon in the book with a little lines. I hope this helps you turn in your work on Benchmark Universe.